Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your builder grade doorknobs to this black, sleek, upgraded doorknob by KNOBWELL. We really love it, and I'm going to show you guys how I did it. Super easy, really simple. Here we go. So all you're going to need is a drill or a screwdriver and your bubble level. So it comes with your inside handle, your outside handle, the lock buckle board, and this you just peel, and it's that nice matte black as well. And then it has your revolve lingua and your lock lingua, like so. And it also comes with different sizes of the door buckle board. This is another lock buckle board, different size, which we're not going to be using on my specific doors. We're just going to be using these. It also comes with super simple step-by-step instructions of how to do everything. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Okay, so the first step you guys want to do is just unscrew the old screws on here. Like that. And then the other side should just come right out. There you have it. Okay, and then you want to unscrew these guys right here. There you go, 1 and 2. And then you're just gonna push against the revolve lingua, and it should come right off like that. All right, so we got everything out. Should look like that. So now we're gonna add the handles. Again, this is on the outside and this is on the inside. So, okay, so now you're gonna add your new one. You wanna make sure that the flat part is spacing out like that. I'm gonna use the small little screws that it comes with, so not the longer ones. Line it up to the hole. I want to get the outside one in first, so the ones with these guys on them. Just like that. Should be like that. So you're gonna use 2 of these guys. So for here, you want to make sure it's even. So I like going till it touches, and then I want to make sure that it's straight. Okay, so once you got that, just make sure it works and it's looking good. Awesome. Okay, so now you're gonna go and look at the inside of your door. You're gonna have to replace this too. So it's gonna be like that. This is your lock buckle board. So we're just gonna remove these and replace it. Super simple. Just line up the circles like that. Okay, so now we're just gonna make sure that it works. Yep, heard a click. And there you have it. So again, these are the Craftsman style doorknobs with no lock from KNOBWELL. They have a ton of different styles, shapes, ones with locks. But yeah, we love it. Yeah, thanks so much for watching and hope this was helpful.